How to use NFC reader on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want to use the NFC feature on any Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then here's how you can do this. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me out. Well, so now to access to the NFC feature, you just need to swipe down from the very top and do it again. And then you just need to find out the NFC feature is available inside the control center or not. You can swipe to the right and see if there is NFC feature added or not. He'll get to see I have no NFC feature. So now to add the NFC to the control center, you can tap on this plus icon here. And inside this one, you just need to find out the NFC. He'll get to see the NFC is available here. You can actually drag and drop it where exactly you want to put it. So let's say I'm going to keep it right there and I'm going to tap on done. He'll get to see the NFC is added. Now to turn this option on, you can actually go ahead and tap on these and he'll get to see the NFC is actually enabled. You can toggle on and off the NFC feature. Now you can make your mobile payments or read or write the NFC tags from here. And this is how you actually can use the NFC on any Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.